Crash standards have been adopted that mandate rear bumpers must withstand a 5-mile-per-hour collision into a fixed barrier, meaning a wall, a pole, something like that, without showing any visible evidence of damage. In a vehicle-to-vehicle crash, where the bumpers line up well and energy is transferred into both vehicles, it takes considerably more force to cause visible bumper damage than 5 miles per hour. Some tests have shown that cars could be crashed repeatedly at 20 miles per hour and not show any visible damage. So if it takes 20 miles per hour to damage your car, but only 2.5 miles per hour to cause injury, that means that there is no connection between speed, vehicle damage, and occupant injury in low-speed collisions.